losses are temporary. They're events. Wealth is a state, it is a broader way of looking at things. But in fact, what dominates our behavior is much more immediate than considerations of wealth, it is considerations of gains and losses. And that is the essential idea of both behavioral economics and behavioral finance. A fully rational agent has a broad view in another meaning. It has a long horizon. But a basic finding, well replicated in psychology, decision theory, and so on, is that people are myopic and that they weigh immediate consequences much more than delay. There is, in fact, great research that indicates that there are special brain circuits that respond to relatively immediate consequences, as against other brain circuits that react to more delayed consequences. And we tend to be more rational about the more delayed consequences than about the immediate ones. A fully rational agent has a comprehensive view.